you'll go to the grade book and find the items that need grading that have this kind of exclamation point icon. And when you click on the little down arrow, it'll give you these options. When you're in these options, you'll click Attempt, and then you'll get into the next window. Once you are in this view, you will have a few options. They've actually changed this since I last did it, but here are tools for commenting. On the form, there's a comment tool and an annotation tool you can use to make comments on this document itself. You can download it if you needed to for some reason, but if I've created a rubric for the assignment, if you click right here where it says Attempt, it'll say Grade by Rubric, and I'll click on the rubric, and then it has the rubric here, and you can even, if I've typed in more info, you can click Show Descriptions, and it will show you the descriptions for which category means what using that rubric. So then you could go through and grade these, and you can click on the appropriate part of the rubric, but make sure to leave written feedback on the document itself as well. Don't just use the rubric. And then down here you can see the scatter plot, for example. And you can grade that in the caption. Things to look for on this first assignment. Some students will have this axis wrong. It'll just go to like 0 to 10 instead of 0 to 60. So pay attention to that. Make sure things are well labeled. There are units on here. They don't need to have units on this axis. If it just says number of days or recovery days or something, that's okay, but they definitely need units on this x-axis down here. So you'll put those things in, you'll make comments, and then you'll click Save Rubric, and you might have to hit Submit one more time, and once you've done that, it will enter the grade into the grade book.